Hello, I'm Shameet Dewnarain, and I came here for a surgery for my mother, a cervical surgery that wasn't able to be done in my country. So I contacted Vaidam, which I previously contacted for my mom as well for her kid's surgery. And it was an amazing experience. I came here on a Thursday. On a Friday, I did a medical check for my mom. And on Saturday, she was operated and I remained fine. And now I'm leaving tonight. And I'm very happy so far. Mom is fine. And everything is perfect. I totally recommend Vaidam. And I wish them a long life and keep doing the best job for international patients. Thank you very much.